Thank you for tuning in to CSTV News, Weather, and Sports. My name is Ronnie G. Nuggets, and I'm reporting on some sort of strange fish. There seems to be some sort of strange fish lurking around up here by the space station. They seem to be, it looks like the same fish we saw in the Lake Isabella area. There's a meteor shower, and there seems to be these fish out here, some sort of space fish, like I said, and there's a Nari star right there. I don't know if you're familiar. Ooh, right there, and there's a Kalen star right there. You can recognize them because they always have them sparkly pants. And this is RG Nuggets reporting for CSTV News, Weather, and Sports.